Welcome to the unveiling of Aliter's latest innovation, the Lead Management Module. This cutting-edge tool is designed to streamline and enhance the sales leads for organizations of all sizes. Let's delve into the myriad features and benefits that this module brings to the table. With Aliter's Lead Management Module, users have the flexibility to define custom leads types tailored to the unique needs of their organization. You can have a lot of data points while leads like basic information, company information, contact information, notes. Along with the classic list style view, Aliter's Leads dashboard comes with an industry standard Kanban view, making it easy for sales executives to manage leads, visualize the stage of leads, and update the stage of a lead with a simple drag and drop gesture. Aliter's Lead Management Module comes with a set of powerful search and filtering tools, enabling users to search for and filter out leads among several leads in a matter of seconds. A lead conversion is a critical step in the sales funnel where leads progress from showing interest in a product or service to making a purchase. The module is designed to help convert a lead conveniently from most screens, making it less time-consuming. There could be instances where one company can have several sales leads. The Company Accounts module helps categorize leads according to companies and industries, making it easy to find past business history with a company. Aliter's Leads module features an aesthetically pleasing contacts manager that helps organize contacts for all companies and leads. Contacts are further linked to accounts and leads, making it very simple to reach out and initiate effective communication. Sales executives may need to perform several tasks before taking the right action on a lead. Our lead management module features a powerful task management system which helps executives create and manage tasks conveniently. Each task can then have several stages from open, in progress, completed, and more, which will help managers track the progress of each task effectively. The Leads module offers a simplified way to manage opportunities. Users can gain a clear understanding of all necessary details, including potential sale value, contact details, and company information. The dashboard page provides an interactive graphical interface to get a detailed overview of leads, accounts, and contacts. With graphs and pie charts, users can summarize their team's performance and business growth with minimal effort. Aliter's Lead Management module represents a significant advancement in optimizing lead management processes for organizations of all sizes. With its customizable lead types, intuitive Kanban views, and robust task management capabilities, the module streamlines workflows and enhances productivity. By offering comprehensive features for lead organization, communication, and conversion, Aliter's module sets a new standard for efficiency and effectiveness in lead management.